Gosta de exclusividade? Então preste atenção nessas motos customizadas. Entre os vídeos mais acessados e curtidos da internet, esse vídeo nos mostra um trio fazendo manobras com moto esportiva, uma espécie de drift com moto de alta potência. A sincronia é perfeita. Preste atenção nessa sequência de carros de corrida fazendo uma sequência de drift.
Yeah, yeah. It's almost over now, almost over now. Yeah. It's almost over now, almost over now. You think the way you live's okay. You think posing will save your day. You think we don't see that you're running. Better call the police 'cause I'm coming. Keep me on the next stop. It's too late to apologize when you see the galaxy, cause you hesitate. You think we're flying, but we levitate. Just be yourself, don't ask us why. Cause if you don't, we'll make you fly. You think that you don't have to ever quit. You think that you can get away with it. You think the light won't be ever lit. It's almost over now, almost over now. Something on your chest, better get it off. There'll be no one left when we shut it off. We ain't gonna take it no more, since it's almost over now, almost over now. You can't be me, I'm a rock star. I'm running on the top.